This is Milani, Chapter 13, Section 3, Problem number 7. From this problem, I gave you the graph and I am asking you some question, two-part question. First, I'm asking you to explain what are we talking about. For example, if I said f prime of a 0 is equal 0, what are we talking about? And the second thing is, do I have a true statement or not? Now, first part, f prime, that means first derivative equals 0. We are talking about the critical point. Now, if the x is 0, do I have a critical point? When the x is 0, the point on my graph is right here, which this is not critical point. That means it's going to be false. Second derivative bigger than 0, concave up. But now it says concave up is from minus infinity to positive infinity. Look at your graph. Concave up is from minus 3 to 7. That is false. Part C. F of a 3 is equal 0. F of any number is equal the number I am talking about, just the point. When the x is 3, find the point on your graph which is here. That's not 0, is false. Then, first derivative equals 0 is critical point. When the x is 2, look at your graph. When the x is 2, my y is right here. Now, remember, critical point is actually relative mean, relative max. This is decreasing. Then here is become increasing. That means this is the relative mean, which is actually yes. This is the critical point, which is true. Again, first derivative equals 0, critical point. When the x is minus 3. When the x is minus 3, this is my y value. That is not critical point because I have a constant and then it's become decreasing. This is not the critical point. Now, over here, limit x approach to the 0. I'm talking about the value of the limit. When the x is approaching the 2, the y value is 0. When the x is 2, my is not 0. That means this is false.